Alright guys, this is a Casablanca Delta ceiling fan, 50-inch, and this is in the guest bedroom of my grandparents' house, and they got this from the Habitat in my area, and they took it all the way to their house, which is about an hour away from my home. So we're going to give you a demo of light. It's just the standard on and off. And we'll start off on low and forward. I'm not going to do reverse. There's actually a second one on this property.
Hey, Joshua!
What? Hey!
Give me his computer. Thank you.
Second one on this property, and the fan that was in here before was a Hunter Augusta. Not Hunter Augusta. Hunter Westminster is what it was. So Westminster that was in here before, it did not work because the remote was stolen. No, taken with the people who moved because this is foreclosure home. This is medium. This blows a great amount of air and has no warble at all. And then they also have a brass one that seems to come out of the same house because it has stained glass clothes as well, and a forearm light kit with a pull chain in the center and a shutter on the side. So I'm gonna have a video of that when that happens, and I brought my computer so that I can edit videos while I'm here as well. And whenever I find another one of these, I'm not passing the opportunity to buy one up. It has a slight wobble, but it's not big at all. It's flying around the wind and that kind of thing. Boy, does that feel good. The flywheel's in quite good condition. I mean, it's rubbery, of course. And it's doing what it's designed to do. It's a very great fan. I'm not sure the year on this, but it has a tag. It says Casablanca Delta, and I don't know the year though, of course. Bye-bye. So there's the light. It lets out a good amount of light. For this area. I'm also going to do a garden tour as well, because my grandma has a really awesome garden, and a building tour of the area and ceiling fans in their house and stuff like that. So I'm going to do quite the sum of videos today. By the way, happy early Father's Day. It's Saturday and tomorrow is Father's Day, but we're here. My dad is out with his dad celebrating Father's Day at a disc golf course, which I didn't want to go because I wanted to film the fans, and I play disc golf with my dad all the time anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. This is actually the setting that it was on before I did the video anyway. It was on high and doing that. So thanks for watching.